Hey guys, welcome back to Manicro Custom Guitars and welcome to another episode of the Great Guitar Build-Off of 2021. I know that I haven't posted much lately, even on my socials. I didn't post as much. It's just because like a month ago, exactly 5 weeks ago, I had a little surgery and post-op I wasn't able to do much work afterwards, and that's mostly the reason why I didn't do as much. I wasn't even active on my socials and I couldn't do any content for you. Just before I went out for surgery, I did manage to install the frets on this neck. Now in this case I'm using StewMax medium high fret wire in stainless steel. If you know me very well, some of you knows that I like to work with StewMax fret wire. I haven't had any problems with that fret wire, and it's perfect for my 0.5mm cutter. I like to use a fret press when installing my frets. It's much easier, quieter, and you get the job done very fast with a fret press. Just recently, I started working on the body, and at this point, the body is looking like this. This is just a couple of coats of white primer. It's not the base coat. Even the base coat is going to be white, but this is white primer. Since it's ash, I had to grain fill the body, and again I applied a couple of coats of primer. And for another video, I'm going to prepare for color. Now, color procedure will be as follows: couple of coats of base coat, in this case it's going to be white as well, and then I'm going to spray the chameleon pigments. Now, a small change about the finish color scheme. This time I'm going to try to mix the pigment with a matte clear rather than having a gloss clear. Having a gloss finish, I'm going to aim for a matte finish. Okay guys, so that's it for today. I hope you liked it, enjoyed it, and learned something from it. If you enjoyed it, please hit that like button or even share it with your friend. It will help the channel a lot. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down in the comment section down below. I'll do my best to answer them for you. If you're new to this channel and you're enjoying what you see, please I invite you to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you'll be aware about my future releases. I'll do CNC and guitar building related content. And guys, until the next time, take care and goodbye.